Hanggang ngayon, nagbabakbakat pa dun sa sa ground. You have to accept this. Ano bang ginagawa natin? Huwag ninyong barahin muna ako. At this point in time, it is already our people fighting each other. No longer against our enemy before. Sasabihin ko ito kahit sinong kaharap ko, kasi yan po yung pinaglaban natin. So, nakakaano ng isip kung bakit ganito ang nangyayari. Ngayon, hindi na yung kalaban natin dati, ang kalaban natin, kung hindi, tayo na mismo ang naglalaban-laban. And with this kind of situation, tinitingnan ko po, our leadership, hindi po maganda. Kasi ang dami nating problema. Now we cannot even manage our peace, order and security in the ground. How can we manage the instability of our economy? How can we develop our economy with this kind of situation in the ground? So akin po, with the presence of our local government unit here, I'm sure they know this problem affecting their leadership in the provinces, in the municipalities, and in other areas. Pero hindi lang sila makaimik. But they're asking, what is the regional government doing with this problem?
Thank you.
I'm sure we can do a lot of things. We can join hands, the regional government, the local government, the MILF, the MNLF can make a joint effort para po matigil itong kaguluhan na ito. Kasi kahit anong gawin natin, if we cannot stop this, then we cannot expect any development for us. And this is what our people is expecting from us.
Thank you, Bapa. Let's allow the panel to answer the question that
Hindi,
raised.
patapusin mo muna ako.
akala ko
This
tapos
is
na.
very important
Okay,
for us. Ang laki-laki ng problema natin sa ground. You see, hanggang ngayon, nagbabakbakat pa dun sa sa ground. You have to accept this. Ano bang ginagawa natin? Huwag ninyong barahin muna ako. Kasi gusto kong malaman natin, meron tayong responsibilidad dyan. Kung gusto ko lang na na meron tayong gagawin. Andito yung mahal nating Chief Minister, alam niya yan. He was been a Chief of Staff of the BIAP for quite some time. Kaya nating ituro ang tao ng MNLF, ang tao ng MILF, at saka yung mga local government officials natin, yung mga private armed groups nila, so that we can stop this and then make our people live and sleep all over the night with peaceful mind. Kahit anong pag-usapan natin dito, krudo kung hindi natin mapapatahimik ito, walang mangyayari sa atin. Kaya nga, nai-emotion ako. At saka naiinis ako, pagka itong bagay na ito pinag-uusapan tapos pipigilan ninyo. Who are you? Pare-pareho lang naman tayo dito eh.